Ugh. 5:24. No, I did not just wake up. I've been up since 5:24. So you are probably just now waking up. I'm just now going to sleep. I'm not a morning person. I'm a night person. I work all night and I sleep during the day. So, yeah. Yeah, no. When I really sleep, it's like 5:28 in the morning here. I don't know what time it is where you guys live at. Oh goodness. Oh, yeah, I'm tired. I can't sleep since yesterday. I got the morning sickness or whatever. So I might be sleeping like this whole entire day. I have not gotten sleep since like yesterday, the day before, maybe ever. I'm really drained and I don't know why I can't sleep at night. So maybe in the afternoon or later on like I'll post a video or something on here. But I really need to yeah, but I really need to get some sleep, so subscribe, add another one, rate, comment, favorite, share it, post it, whatever you gotta do. Good morning, / good night.